already seen
Dang, Mikey is spiking right now, dude.
My toothpaste coming.
Spiky Mikey. Alright everybody, we made it to Las Vegas. We got in pretty late last night, so sorry if we didn't give you guys a proper outro, but we are locking up our Airbnb for the morning. We're gonna head over to Sema 2025 and meet a lot of our vendors and our guests. That way we can keep bringing great products to our shop, and then we can also get some good content for you guys for this video as well. Other than that, you have anything you wanna specifically do today?
No, not really. We're about to head out right now, go to the airport. My wife just landed, so I gotta pick her up. She's gonna join us for the Sema tour. And then we're heading straight to the convention. We got 2 days of Sema left. Today ends at 5 p.m., tomorrow ends at 4 p.m. So we don't really have much time to get to all the vendors and booths that we want to go check out. But we'll do our best. We'll try to make the most out of those 2 days like that.
Absolutely, absolutely. So we're gonna go see our vendors like I said and I mentioned. We're gonna collaborate with our partners. We're gonna drop some good videos for you guys, and let's just see what the day turns out. So keep watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and make sure you hit that like and comment if you can. Helps us, and we truly appreciate it. See y'all in a bit. Oh dang! That's some dinner in there. What do you think so far, dude? Sema.
Cool.
This
a lot
year.
of cool builds. A lot of celebrities here. Is that the fake F40?
Oh, look at this. Is it?
No. Maybe.
I don't think it's fake, dude. I don't know. Dude,
I don't think it is. I know there's a kit F40 here at Sema. I don't think this is it though. If it is, that's...
ask him. Ask him.
It is a kit. It is a kit.
Oh, you're right?
It is a kit. It is a kit.
It's an evolutionary kit.
Evolutionary
You put together
kit.
in a week.
Oh, really?
Kit you put together in a week. This is a 10-year handcrafted. It's a Ferrari 355 chassis. It's right.
The plane's cool. I like the plane. You think it comes with a kit?
It's a kit car. It's funny how he's like, it's not a kit car. It's this. It's a kit car.
Is it a real F40? No.
It's a real Ferrari, but it's not a real F40 Ferrari.
To me, it's about the sound, man.
It is. I'm sure this is gonna sound cool, especially that it's turboed. I mean, this turbo's pretty neat. It's got, I don't know.
What do you think of this, Mikey? It's definitely different. I like the carbon that they've done on it. Do you like the bespoke? Have you seen the bespoke kits on these? I don't think I've seen it in person. I've seen it in videos. I don't know. The Revolto is such a nice looking vehicle as it is. It's pretty aggressive from Lamborghini. So by adding all the extra aero and stuff like that, it gives it more aggression. I mean, you guys did a full car PPF on these not too long ago? Yeah, we did. It came out really good. The car came from a Houston dealership. It was modified by us by a little bit with some accent pieces. Shipped over to California. Sat in California for I think until January, which hasn't even come up yet, and then it's going to Canada. So it's a pretty cool build that we did. Dude, I think this is probably the most innocent thing in Vegas. Hey, yo. What's going on? Help me stop trying.
It goes 100 miles an hour. From 0 to 100 miles an hour. Back to 0 in 4 seconds. That's cool. Bro, look at this paint. I don't think video's gonna do it justice. No, bro. It's not. Holy smokes.
Does this look familiar? This does. This is one of our vendors that we do work for. They've been having this project at their location. They were building for about a year and a half or so. And when I had seen it, I want to say 8 months ago, it was just the body painted. So far they've done interior, custom work, they've done motor, firewall, wheels, suspension. I mean, this thing is pristine. And this is the quality of work that they do, and they're called Gap Industries, and they're located in Magnolia, Texas.
Dude, this is insane. That's like the best car at the whole show. And fun fact for people that didn't know, that diamond badge right there, it's $500,000 itself. So that's one hell of an option. But if you think that's crazy, you know what else is really crazy? Come check this out. You got a dually sitting on top of 2 dualies.
Dang!
That's insane.
Dude! How do you think they got it up there?
That's what we're wondering. Maybe
What do you
a
think,
forklift.
Mike?
It had to have been a forklift.
Huh.
All 3 of those trucks don't even equal the amount of that badge. That's crazy.
That's crazy. That's crazy. These 3 trucks.
I don't
To
know.
get-
These
are
trucks
they?
kind of, no, I don't
Mike, I think those trucks are a little...
Those trucks are 90 grand to 100 grand brand new, and they
brand new plus all the modifications they've done, which is about like 40-50 grand, I would say.
so 300.
Okay,
450,
maybe those
Dang.
3 equals.
Oh,
exactly
that's
that.
crazy. Those 3 crazy trucks.
Equal the bench. That is crazy, actually.
Yeah.
About conserving real estate. Come on, Frankie. Let's hear those vocals.
Can't see anything. Nothing but smoke.
Alrighty, everybody. So the SEMA show is now about to wrap up. What they're gonna do is they're gonna have the parade leaving. So we're gonna get a lot of footage of that for you guys. We get to see all the cars. I'm sure you've seen enough, but you know what? We've been here for 2 full days and we still haven't seen anything. That's how big this convention show is. So after all the smoke clears in the back, everyone's gonna start getting ready. We're gonna hit the parade. But there's also a lot of nighttime activities tonight. So sorry, Franco, you're not off the clock. You're gonna have to keep rolling with us because there's gonna be car show after car show after car show, and we're gonna see some wild stuff on the strip because all the vehicles that were inside the show have been locked up for a whole week. Now they're gonna be on the Las Vegas Strip and every single casino you can think of. And hell, we don't know what we're gonna do tonight. Stay tuned.
So we pulled up here at Circus for some pictures, and while we're here, we got some fans that pulled up and talking. Sorry, I had a little break for it. This guy offered to pay me $200 to take him down the strip.
$200.
Right here.
Dude.
Dream car.
To go take him down the strip and back for a ride. It's his dream car, so let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's get it done.
It'll be fun.
Yeah, dude. Oh yeah. Here you go. There
I'll
it
put
is.
on red.
Pay it up.
2 hours later. What do you think, dude?
I think it's worse than what we anticipated. Normally the pulley just gives out, and it's an 8-hour job to replace the pulley. But I think this time it was the AC compressor.